Record. Hey, this triple booster set. Oh, GT triple booster set is from the Takara Toby, and I'm inspiring Takara Toby right now. So thank you Takara Toby to make me inspire them. Okay, so guys, let's start the video. Okay, guys. Welcome back to another epic video. Sorry, I'm very excited.
And we're at our hometown.
Yeah. I should say village. Okay, so today guys, we will actually recording a new Beyblade that we actually that our father buy for Imaan, the birthday boy. So if you guys want to say happy birthday to him, say now.
Happy birthday.
Not you! Okay. It's not my birthday yet.
Okay guys, we're ready.
It's okay, we need to wait for...
And then he's going to us. He's going to do what you want to say. I hope you guys love this video. This is from Japan. This is traveling far to just our house. Abang, are you done? Oh, he's the carrying of Fatya. Okay. Guys, please subscribe to Takala and also our video. So we have Lots Dragon, Red Behemoth, and Slash Dragon. Tell me in the comments down below which one do you like. Which Beyblade do you like? Abang, why you leave? Sorry. Yeah, I not buka yet. I not do it yet. I know. Okay. Oh, my wife going to be. Okay, guys. I think my brother's done. Okay, Abang, let's go.
Okay, guys.
Guys, let's open this right now. Let's open it.
No, I can open.
No. This is my one. What are you doing?
The birthday boy is opening his present right now.
Oh, weird. Okay, guys. Let's do it. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. You want me to help?
No, I'm scared. I got this.
Slash Dragon! Okay, this time is Slash Dragon right now. This is our first time we ever made this in real life. So I'm very excited what to see inside this box right now. Yesterday we actually was record, or let's say we're just going somewhere.
Hey, we're going to our hometown.
I don't see the surprise yet, so let's go see on our Hot Wheels sticker set. Okay, so over here I have my red favorite, my white monster Hot Wheels.
Wow.
I forgot what's this.
No way!
Okay, guys.
No way!
We're already here.
No
so
way.
guys, let's stop for a while and let me and Imaan buka, guys.
Abang, your hand.
Okay, here's all the Beyblade that we just unboxed. Okay, so I'll show you guys all the part. I just forgot. What is this one? I think it's Slash Valkyrie one. I forgot what his name.
Slash Valkyrie.
Oh, the other one is called Blades, right? It's called Blade. Okay,
let's
show
start.
all. Okay, so I know. But Iman's hand is on the way. Okay, guys. This driver is called the Dimension Driver. And why it's called that? Because the Dimension Driver can change mode. So if I just like that, then
The next one.
heart. So this is attack.
Oops. Let's do it.
And then
No.
you click. Wait. Okay, so this one.
This is the dimension driver.
This is balance. Wait lah. This is balance, guys. Wait. Oh, I know that. Because the tip is the little white rubber pieces come out. Okay, so about this one. The small. This, this. I think this is balance. Comment down below, guys. Is this balance? This.
Okay, let's start off with the next one.
They look like balance.
Okay, let's start off. Okay, abang.
Okay.
Let's start off with the next one.
The back driver. This is called orbital blades. This is called blades. You know why, guys? Because it has BI spelled on it right over here. BI. So this thing, when it go fast, this little thing can come out like this. Okay, guys?
Now the next one. This is called the Lord.
This is called Lord. And why it's called that is actually because this are dragons. These are a monster.
Oh,
This is X. Because
no.
it's more like a spider, but actually it's a Lord. Okay, so I don't know how much this weight because I don't have weight. Okay, this is called a Spriggan. This is very interesting.
And that's why you call it the Lord Spriggan.
But guys, remember this. Even if you look at its face, it looks like a dragon. But it's strong.
Yes, it's very nice.
But it's strong. Yeah.
Ice cream.
Okay, so let's put all the Beyblade in. You may want to put.
Yep, let's start off with the Lord Spriggan.
This left.
Oh, left. What?
Okay, Imaan, can you hold?
You got it.
Okay, guys. I'm not very sure what did Imaan just did.
I don't even do anything. I try left.
Yeah. Oh, this is right.
Hmm.
I forgot to put right. It's very hard to burst. Okay, guys, this is a whole Beyblade set. Look, it looks so cool. And you know why it's very hard to burst?
Hold it. Because the background is very not nice.
Okay, guys.
This is Lord Spriggan.
Okay, let's show the dimension driver.
Okay, the dimension driver is here.
You can change mode, guys. Later we will go to battle mode. We don't have a stadium because so far we forgot to bring on the stadium.
No, we bring, but it doesn't fit for the car, so you gotta use something else. We think
So
about it.
this is very big.
Okay, let's start off with next one.
I need to put the stickers.
Oh.
Okay, so
Okay.
guys, I have to put all the stickers for Dread Behemoth. Second Beyblade. This is second Beyblade. It's called
The Red Behemoth. The Red Behemoth, yeah.
Okay, so let's start with this driver. Okay, so this driver is called Orbit Metal. I don't know why. This is actually normally called Orbit, but because this ball is metal. This is actually can be for defense or a stamina. Balloon. Okay, guys, this is okay.
Okay.
You might she's taking my money. She's taking.
I know.
You give?
Yes, because she's going to push the box.
You might say
Up
that.
my.
Okay, give. Give back to me.
Mama.
Guys,
Mama.
this is actually called 7. Oh, it's original. Okay, but actually, guys, this is actually for Legend Surprising. But honestly, they put on this Beyblade. Okay, so this one is called, I think it's called Mega Driver. Mega.
You're rocking it. Okay, let's
It's
do
mega.
it. Okay, abang, put up here. Okay.
Wait.
Beep. Oops, a little bit blurry.
Guys,
Oh no,
this is
what's very blurry?
just the can.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, guys, this is the whole stuff. Okay, I don't know what it is. It's actually just like, I think it's weight. It is it's weight, but all I said, this is made out of rubber.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, guys, this is, I don't know what this is called.
Then let's build it now.
No, wait, you're not sure this one. This one is called Dread. Look. The one is called Dread. Before Dread Behemoth. I'm very confused what this is called. This is called Behemoth. This is my favorite part. Okay, guys, let's put it back in. I think it looks cool. Well, can I try to put?
No.
Please put.
Oh, fine.
Yay. Thank you. I'm very confused. Ooh. Now I get it.
Wait, can is
It's
it
funny.
unstoppable to burst? Oh, Siti yang main. She take your money.
All of them?
Yes, all of them. Yeah.
Actually, guys, I don't know how people say this one is the hardest Beyblade to burst, because I'm trying to make it look like it's bursting. Oh, look! Its blade is coming out, actually. A little bit. I'm very confused how people say this is the most hardest Beyblade to burst.
Okay. Let's start with the next one.
It's called the Fatya.
No, that's not Fajar. Okay, let's do it.
Oh, the Jet Band is good. Later we will do a battle, guys. I don't know which one Iman gonna give me to use. Later you gonna give me this. Okay.
Let's try.
Slash Dragon we have to put. Slash Dragon. Guys, we actually make a song.
Lord Dragon. Flash Dragon. Dragon.
That's the coolest song I ever heard in my life.
No.
Okay, maybe there's
Liar.
other songs.
Here's another one.
Wait lah. Yeah, Iman.
Okay.
There you go. Give. Guys, you can have enjoyment on looking these Beyblades, the coolest Beyblades in the world. Later we will try Lord Beyblade vs Jet Behemoth. If you're gonna do some research, I will give you guys some instructions in the comment below. Because if you guys buy this, they will give you the instructions for all this Beyblade.
Oh, yeah. You guys can just see over here.
Then,
Okay, let's build Flash Dragon.
Okay, so Iman will build first, but I will go record you. Fatya. Fatya have her own new sweater. Fatya, say hi, Tia. Say hi to the YouTubes. Yeah. Yeah, little girl. Little girl. Say hi.
Don't shake it, abang.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Bagi duit, Tia. Well, she's very rich. Guys, okay.
Go then.
Okay. So
And this is all 3 Beyblades.
Okay, this is called Slash Dragon because this layer is actually from Slash Valkyrie. This is called Dragon. This
Here's
is
the brain dragon.
okay.
Guys, this is the brain dragon. This is the disc. Still don't know what it's called. This is slash. And this is dragon. That's why it's called Slash Dragon. And now, Behemoth. This is called the Mega Driver. And this is the driver. Still don't know what it's called. They have a ball over here. We can go very
Yes.
fast. And I already showed them that.
I already said that to them.
I already showed them that.
This is called a brain.
Yes, I already
This is
showed
double. What is this called?
the disc.
This is called double O. Okay, let's do Beyblade battle now.
No, we don't show them this Dread. This
I
Behemoth.
know.
That's what it's called. Dread Behemoth. This is Lord. And this is Spriggan. That's
In my
called
way.
Lord Spriggan. Okay.
No.
That's. Wait, how about the stadium?
We actually are bringing a stadium, so
Windows.
let's use it the hard way.
Grandma. Okay, abang. Ask Grandma. Yup, tu. Tell me in the comment down below which one do you like? Slash Dragon. Okay. Lord Spriggan
Let's stop for a while. You make it stop.
or Red Behemoth. Okay.
Let's go to